fire, the element of passion, love, strength, and the willpower for the continued evolution of your soul, moving you to fight for all that you believe in. This element is within us all, and once we learn how to control it, how to find it, and how to use it with the right intention, it can set us on a path of true evolution and self-growth. Today's yoga practice is going to be all about awakening that fire and passion within you. This class is going to be focused on raising your body heat through Kapalabati breathing, but also pushing you through challenging asanas and movement in order to fire up and burn away anything and everything that no longer serves you, physically, mentally, and spiritually. So if you're ready to awaken that fire within, grab your mat and join me. Today's video is sponsored by Audible. Listening to audiobooks is one of our self-care rituals that not only inspires and motivates us, but also gives us an opportunity to deepen our knowledge. Being able to listen to insightful books like the Bhagavad Gita, translated by Jack Haley, has been one of the ways we include audiobooks into our everyday life. Audible has the largest selection of audiobooks on the planet, and today you can get your first audiobook for free, along with 2 selected Audible original titles when you start your 30-day trial. Visit audible.com/boho or text BOHO to 500-500 to get started. With that said, if you're ready to begin our yoga class, grab your mat and let's begin. Alright friends, so to begin our practice today, we're going to heat up the body with Kapalabati breath, which is a pranayama exercise to heat up your entire system. So we're going to start on our knees. You're going to take an inhale through your nose, and you're going to rapidly exhale through your mouth, pulling your navel to the spine. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. Exhale, 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 exhale. Last few times. And you're done. Great job. Let's do one more round. Inhale into your nose. Exhale through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Wonderful. Take another inhale as you come on up to your mat. And let's step forward to the very front of your mat. We're going to begin with our Surya Namaskar B, a sun salutation to warm up the entire body. So let's go. On your inhalation, you're going to reach both arms up to the sky, sit into your chair, reach the arms. Exhale, you're going to release into your forward fold. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, step or hop back into a plank position. Chaturanga to the floor. Inhale as you open into your upward facing dog. And exhale, pushing yourself back into your downward facing dog. Great job. From here, stepping your left foot forward. Inhale, reaching both arms up to the sky, warrior 1. Just take a deep breath in. Exhale, dive it down. Step back, chaturanga dandasana. Inhale, opening into your upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog, other leg. Inhale, step your right foot forward, opening and reaching both arms up to the sky, warrior 1. Palms together, or you can keep them apart if you need to. Release the hands, step back into plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog. And exhale, release yourself back into your downward facing dog. Beautiful job. Take another inhale. And exhale, just allow yourself to go a little bit deeper into this downward facing dog. Breathing in, allowing that sternum to fall towards the mat. And then once you're ready, bend your knees, hop forward to the front of your mat. Inhale halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come on up into that chair position. Utkatasana, hold it here. And then on your exhalation, extending your knees and bring your hands together to your heart. On your next inhalation, just reach both arms up towards the sky. Bending the elbows, release yourself down into that forward fold. halfway lengthen. Exhale, hop or step back. And go ahead and give me 4 push-ups for 4 and 3 and 2. Stay straight, last one. And opening into that upward facing dog. And then exhale, downward facing dog, spreading those feet apart, allowing the heels to sink down to the floor. One more inhale, and on your exhalation, round yourself forward into a high plank position. We're going to go ahead and do our Kapalabati breath, what we did in the beginning. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, through your mouth, 9, 10, keep going, 10, 9, pulling that belly to the spine. Nice, rapid breaths, raising that temperature in the body, and then releasing yourself back into that downward dog. Great job. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come back into plank. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Kapalabati breath. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale through your mouth. Keep going. Stay in that plank position and releasing into that chaturanga. Opening into your upward facing dog. Really open up the chest and the heart. And exhale, downward facing dog, release. At this time, reaching your left leg up to the sky. 3-legged dog, bending the knee. On your exhalation, you're going to round yourself forward into that plank position and then touching your opposite elbow with the knee for 1. Each elbow is being touched by the knee. Keep going. Touch and touch. Stay in that plank position and touch. Working the abdominals here, working the obliques. Continuing to raise that heat in the body. Keep going. Touch, 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 touch. You're almost done. And releasing into that 3-legged dog. Inhale. Exhale. This time stepping forward between your 2 hands with your front foot. Back heel is lifted and then press the back heel to the mat. Cartwheeling the arms and opening into our Warrior 2 posture. Drop the shoulders away from the ears, pulling the navel into the spine. Nice strong warrior here. Just breathing, finding that center, connecting with the breath here. Really setting that intention to find that fire within. Deep breath in. Exhale, go a little deeper into that Warrior 2 if you can. Another inhale. Lower body staying exactly as it is. You're going to reach the back arm forward and around for 1. Reach it forward and around for 2 with the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. Drop those shoulders away from the ears and just simply pump them back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going, squeezing those shoulder blades each time the arms go back, keeping the core nice and strong. And last 3, 2, 1. Great job. Opening the front palm and releasing yourself into that peaceful warrior. Releasing your body as far as you can, really feeling that lengthening along the side of the body. Breathing deeply. I know that quad muscle is starting to feel it, but I just want you to really focus on the breath. With each exhalation, letting go of that fire, that negative energy that no longer serves you. Beautiful. Slowly release it forward, extending the front knee. Both knees are straight now. You're going to open the palms, reach forward, and then releasing into your Trikonasana, your triangle posture. Really focusing on opening the shoulders here. You want to stack one shoulder over the other, creating a beautiful line with your body. Again, creating lots of space in the side body here. So breathing deeply into any tension you may experience along that area of your body. Setting an intention to welcome oxygen. Great job. From here, come on up to center. Arms out. You're going to flex the front foot and turn it inward. Deep breath in, feet slightly turned towards each other. And then on your exhalation, taking your wide-legged forward fold. Go ahead and grab your ankles if you're able to. And then just begin to release that forehead all the way down to the floor. Lengthening through the spine, folding from the hips. Always remember, you can make this easier by opening the feet wider. You can make this more challenging by bringing your feet a little bit closer. So truly make this posture to fit your own needs. Deep breath in with each exhalation. Let your body surrender and go deeper into this posture. Inhale. Let it go, exhale. Beautiful job. Slowly from here, hands to the center. Lift your body up and then walk your feet slightly inward. You're going to open the toes away from the body, bend the knees, and opening into what we call our goddess pose. So you're going to reach both arms up towards the sky, really opening those arms, your hips, your knees away from the body. Just breathe, get as low as you can. Finding that center. Now extending the knees on your exhalation, coming down for 1. So we call this a goddess squat. So you're coming down for 2. You can also call this a sumo squat. And 3. Working the lower body here. And 4. Extend, exhale. 5. And 6. Reach. And 7. Last one. Come on down. One more round of Kapalabati breath. Let's raise the heat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep going. Exhale through your mouth. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down a little lower and then extending the legs, releasing the arms and opening your feet now to the other side of the mat. So your front foot is facing the back of your mat. Release and come on down into that trikonasana. So we're taking our postures in reversed order here now. Breathing into this triangle pose. Same thing like the other side, really focusing on stacking your shoulders, looking up towards that top arm if you can. Breathing into the side body, creating lots of space in that area of the body. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Just another inhale. Just allow your heart rate to slow down a little bit here. Exhale, come on up. At this time, bending the front knee, warrior 2, releasing into that peaceful warrior. So now welcoming space, welcoming oxygen into the other side of the body. Reaching as far back as possible while maintaining the warrior 2 stance in the legs. Inhale. Exhale. Wonderful. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Awesome. Now slowly rounding forward and then releasing the arms to the side, coming down to that warrior 2. And with each exhalation, go a little bit deeper into that warrior 2, really feeling that fire in the front quad here. Take a deep breath in. From here, we're going to circle that back arm forward and around for 1. Inhale, exhale, nice strong body for 2. Reach. And 3. Reach. Warrior 2, 4, go a little deeper. And then squeezing the shoulder blades together for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. Keep those arms nice and strong. Get low into that warrior 2. And 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Stay there. And then extending the front knee, flex your foot. And this time we're just going to turn and face the front of your mat, stepping to the very front of your mat. On your next inhalation, let's reach both arms up to the sky. Exhale, dive yourself forward. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, step or hop right back into plank or chaturanga. Inhale, opening into that upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. At this time, the right leg is going to reach all the way up to the sky, three-legged dog. Bending the knee. On your exhalation, come into that plank position, touching the opposite elbow with the knee. Go for 1, 2, 3, 4. Working the core muscles. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try to get physical contact with the knee and the elbow each time you bring it forward. Last 3, 2, 1. Great job. Step it back. Plank position, chaturanga. Inhale, opening into that upward facing dog again. And exhale, push yourself back, downward facing dog. Take a breather. Inhale into the nose. Exhale all the air out. Just let yourself go a little more. Once you're ready, rounding forward into that plank position. And then come on down to your elbows. We're going to take a Kapalabati breathing one more time here in your elbow plank. So inhale through your nose. On your exhalation through your mouth rapidly for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Lift your hips up to the sky. Exhale, dolphin for 1. Lift, exhale, dolphin for 2. Lift, exhale, 3. Strengthening the core and the shoulders here for 4. Reach, exhale, 5. Reach, exhale, 6. Reach, and 7. And 8. 2 more. 9. Last one. Hold that plank. Breathe. Come on up to your hands now. Staying in that high plank. Inhale. And then as you exhale, chaturanga dandasana to the floor. Inhale, open the heart up to the sky, upward dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale again. Exhale, round through into that plank position, giving me tricep push-ups for 1. Bring it down, and 2. Feel free to come down to your knees if you need to. Last one. And lifting up into that upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Spreading those fingers wide, bending the knees, and then hopping forward between your 2 hands, coming into our Navasana, our boat posture here. Feel free to bend the knees, or if you're more advanced, you can go ahead and straighten those legs. Just finding that center, drop the shoulders away from the ears, elongating the neck. Engaging through our powerhouse, our core. Staying here in one beautiful pose, no movement, just the breath and your body. Engaging through the core, inhale. And exhale, stay there, we're almost done. Beautiful job, one more inhale. On your exhale, you're gonna roll yourself back and then come up into your Navasana again. Bring it back and up to boat for 2. Feel free to hold on to your knees if you have to. And 3. Now last one, you're going to roll all the way back and just support your hips with your hands here. Stay there, or if you're comfortable, go ahead and come all the way up into your shoulder stand. Staying here in our Sarvangasana posture, lifting up as high as you can, creating that nice beautiful line with your body. Good, just breathing deeply, supporting your lumbar spine with your hands. Wonderful. Now from here, we're going to transition into our halasana, our plow position. So releasing one foot at a time, tuck your toes underneath. Feel free to support your back or interlace the fingers and extend those elbows. If your arms are extended, try to keep the palms together. Good, just holding this plow position, feeling that sensation through the spine. This is a wonderful stretch for your back. Don't forget to breathe. Just stay here. Another inhale. On your exhalation, coming up into our Sarvangasana again. Shoulder stand, supporting your back. Staying here or taking the next variation by coming into our lotus pose with your feet. If you're not comfortable with this, just stay in your shoulder stand. You do not have to take this variation. Good, just stay there. Breathing deeply. Now, if you're in your shoulder stand, you can slowly begin to release back into the plow position. If you are in this lotus posture, we're going to take it up one more notch. So what you're going to do is begin to fold from the hips, allowing the knees to release towards the chest. Some of you may just want to hang out here. Others that are more advanced, now bring your arms around the legs and hook your fingers together. This is quite an advanced posture, so just do this to your own comfort level. Those of you guys that are not in lotus, just stay in your plow position. Whichever version you're taking, you're getting amazing benefits here, so don't worry where you are. Just breathe and enjoy. Beautiful. Another inhale. Just find your focus. If you're in your lotus, release the hands. In whichever posture you are, begin to release the spine all the way down, and then releasing the legs and extending the legs all the way out into our final asana, Shavasana. Opening the palms of your hands up to the sky. At this time, I'd like you to close your eyes and bring all of your awareness internally. Begin to feel what is happening within your body. Feeling your heart slowly slowing down. Feel that energy, your prana, pulsing through the entire nervous system. Your life force, feeling each cell of your body. Let it go. At this time, welcome full relaxation into your body. We built up a lot of heat through our nervous system today, through our physical body. So at this time, let's cool down. Let's breathe. Let's relax. Shavasana is a very important part of your practice. And it's really important that we try not to skip it. This is a moment that your body gets to settle right now. We get to really feel all the benefits of each posture that we did today. Taking this moment right now to slow everything down, including your breath, including your thoughts. Just let it all go and simply surrender yourself to the floor, to Mother Earth. Just completely let go. With each exhalation, visualize your body melting away. Melting in the heat that you've created within you. Letting go of all the negative, all that no longer serves you. And with each inhalation, welcoming pure, positive energy into your body, into your being. Inhale and exhale. Now let's slowly begin to bring awareness back to the body. Just gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, and then reach the arms above your head and give yourself a big stretch. Rolling yourself over to one side, and then coming up into your seated position on your mat. Coming into your easy pose. Cross your ankles in front of you, resting your hands on the knees. Let's take an inhale and reach both arms up to the sky. Gather all that positive energy and bring it down to your heart. And one more time, big breath. Open and reach up to the sky. On your exhalation, bringing that positive energy down towards you. Bowing towards yourself, thanking yourself for taking this opportunity to connect to the wonderful element of fire. Sending you love and light. Namaste, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more yoga videos like this. And of course, follow us on social media like Instagram and Facebook. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.